adjusting. Yep, Mark TR2 here. Putting the boat in the water for the 2014 season. Gonna go in that well right there, and then they're gonna drop her down. Then they're gonna fire her up and take her over to her slip. I've been waiting for this for all winter long, guys. Show you just how much the river's up. This is the Bayfield River. Slow and steady, boys.
Probably won't go down that far anyway.
Okay, here we go, tubes. It's water time. I've been looking forward to this all year. Winter.
We're all ready to go, eh?
Carl, it's me doing it. Would it not be ready to go?
You better not go off. You'll have to warm up those bits.
Yeah, we'll warm them up before we even go. Almost splash time, guys. River is moving at an incredible rate, so we're going to have to put some steam to her today.
Give her. You're going to have to give her, alright?
Ah, she'll make her up. She's got the power.
Oh, she's got the power. I'm going to be the one holding on the rope keeper off the wall.
Almost touching the water. And she's touching the water. You hear that? It means pressure's coming off the hull, guys. She's sitting in the water. And she is in. 2014 start. Here we go. Alright, guys, I'll be back in a few minutes.